In lean manufacturing, visualization is a must to improve workflow and reduce waste. Important key performance indicators, KPIs, such as number of produced, backlog, uptime, downtime, and quality result is crucial for everyone. It is the dashboard of the production floor. Binar provides several solutions for visualization of production data: bright LED displays, web solutions, and software for TV screens. The visualization gives distinct real-time information about the current status and will lead to more commitment and motivation in the organization. It gives a better overview, better understanding, and makes it easier to prioritize when a problem occurs. All the information can be saved in a database for further analysis and improvement to reduce waste.